Restomod trucks are highly regarded, and it's always catch attention. However, it's impossible to cover every notable custom truck within a single year. Despite the shift to 2024, a remarkable 1965 Dodge D200 seized interest when it was auctioned late last year. Initially, this vintage truck may seem unchanged from its original factory condition. Yet, a peek inside the cabin reveals a surprising twist. The classic Dodge now features the interior of an early 2010s Ram 2500 Laramie 4WD. This blend of timeless exterior styling with modern interior and hardware showcases the impressive craftsmanship behind its conversion. Interestingly, the backstory of this old truck adds another layer of intrigue to its already captivating narrative. Originally commissioned by the United States Air Force nearly 6 decades ago, this Dodge D200 served in various capacities across domestic air bases and logistics operations. Following an extensive frame-off rotisserie restoration and a fresh coat of Oxford grey paint, the truck underwent significant upgrades that seamlessly blend classic aesthetics with modern functionality. While some may view retrofitting an early 2010 Ram truck interior into a 60s chassis as a shortcut, the inclusion of a 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine and a rebuilt 68 RFE transmission ensures impressive performance, especially when towing heavy loads. Enhanced with a 3-inch suspension lift, Rancho shock absorbers, and BF Goodrich KM3 tires, this Restomod outperforms many contemporary 4x4 vehicles off-road. Undoubtedly, this Cummins-powered classic Dodge stood out as one of the highlights at the Mecum auction in Kissimmee, Florida, last year. Its timeless appeal proves that some things are indeed worth the wait. If you loved it, hit the like button, subscribe for more, see you in the next one.